All right, y'all. My voice is a little shot. I lost my voice, but it's cool. We're still gonna do this. We're still gonna do this. We got my first time listen, first time reaction to Gabriel Henrique, Human Nature. Cover of Michael Jackson's Human Nature. If y'all don't know, I am a huge Michael Jackson fan. I love the movie Michael. Shout out to YERRRR Jackson for doing an amazing portrayal of his uncle, especially the mannerisms. But look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that motherfucking normal ass smolder. He's hitting you with that smolder boulder. So Gabriel Henrique doing fucking Human Nature. I had to be here for it. I was gonna do it, but shout out to Lin for the donor request. I invite you guys to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to join the Wolves Den channel, and hit that bell to notify when I drop these reactions. And please, down below in the description, you'll be able to find Gabriel Henrique's YouTube channel and the link to this video. Click the link, click the channel, hit subscribe, help support independent artists, help support Gabriel Henrique. Shout out to Brazil. Shout out to my Brazil homies. If you guys want early access to these reactions, full access to the blocked YouTube reactions, full album reactions, and more, I invite you guys to check out the Patreon, patreon.com/LoccdWolf Reacts, or you can find that link down below in the description. Human Nature, Gabriel Henrique, Michael Jackson. Let's get it.
Looking out across the nighttime.
Come on.
The city wink is sleeping eye.
Come on.
Hear her voice.
Yeah.
Shake my window, sweet seducing sound.
Woo!
Get my heart into the nighttime, for what's on hold me tonight.
Come on now.
If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite.
Woo! Come on.
They say right. Nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere.
His English is getting better too. His English is getting so much better. So much better. But can we point out one thing, y'all? This don't feel like a cover to me. This feels like a low-key vocal showcase and that same emotional vocal restraint that Michael had. Because we know Michael was bad. That boy had vocals and he showed a lot of restraint. And and anytime I feel like you talk about human nature, you can't leave out how it's already delicate as far as a song, and now with Gabriel doing it, it just has this it just kind of showcases that vocal masterclass that Michael had and Gabriel has. Like it's again with making it your own, but showing love to Michael, like the same way he does Whitney.
It's human nature, right, does it do me that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere.
Oh, this is floating.
See that girl,
yeah.
She knows our routine. She likes the way I stare.
Damn dog. Oh my gosh, bro. What? Now, the way he just added his own variation to that, the way he just did that, he killing these runs and riffs, bro. That was very, very tasteful. Not overdone at all. This is how you respect the song and still elevate it.
She likes the way I stare. See that girl, she knows I forward to. She likes the way I stare. If they say right, tell them that it's human nature. Right, don't you do me that way. If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, don't you do me that way. I like it living this way. I like it loving this way. That's way. If they say bye.
I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming, and I still can't anticipate it. I knew it. Yeah, I fucking knew it. Y'all saw my face. I was like, bro, I know it's coming. Because I know it's coming on Michael's song, so I know it's coming. I know it is coming. And I still was not prepared. Oh my God. Oh shit.
That's way. If they say bye, tell him that it's human nature. Bye, doesn't he do me that way? If they say right, right, doesn't he do me that way? If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, doesn't he do me that way? If they say right.
Bro, what am I supposed to do with this? Falsetto control, the breath support, the runs, the riffs, the dynamics of this whole entire thing. Like he ain't just singing this. And that's the thing with Michael Jackson songs, you gotta feel it. And this man is feeling it. That's the difference between good and elite, is when you're just not singing it, but you're singing it and you're feeling it. Big respect to Michael Jackson, because this is a bold song to cover. So to me, Gabriel's ability to stay controlled, even doing those complex runs, riffs, falsettos, I feel like he also does these songs to showcase his elevation in his vocals as well.
Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? Right, tell him that it's human nature.
I haven't heard a lot of Human Nature covers, so I'm gonna go ahead and say this to me, this is one of the best Human Nature covers I've heard. What about y'all? Be honest, because because if y'all got some that y'all have heard, I haven't, I need to hear it. Because right now, Gabriel's tone is just angelic but powerful. This man is a machine. This is how you honor the original, but he's adding his own identity. Those riffs, those vocal cracks, the breath control, bro. Bro.
If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? Right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? Right.
See, my voice is not going to get better listening to motherfuckers like you, Gabriel, because boy.
Does he do me that way? right, right. You are right. I like you living this way. I like you love me this way. Alright.
Then at the end, he smiled like that. That was a smile of, I know what the fuck I just did. That's what that was. That was a smile of, I know what the fuck I just did. I'm tall as shit. I'm on my knees right now, still tall as hell. But that was that smile of, I know what I just did. He just exceeded every expectation I had. I'm gonna be honest, I had a very high expectation of a cover to the song. Not saying like, oh, I have high expectations, he better do it. Like, I had a high expectation that Gabriel was going to do this cover justice. Okay, say it again. I had a high expectation knowing, I came into this knowing Gabriel Henrique was going to do this song justice and fuck it up in a good way. To my Brazil folks, when we say in the US, like, damn, they fucked that shit up. That's a good thing. Depends on the context. In this context, he fucked it up in a good way. Oh my gosh. He did. Oh my gosh. He exceeded my expectations. I was like, I already know he's about to do amazing on this song. He did better than amazing. I have top tier. I have nothing to say. Boy, I'm about to learn Portuguese so I can just talk to Gabriel himself and just say some shit, very positive shit like, congratulations on making my ear holes happy. Because boy, a dog won. A dog won. You didn't win. A dog won. I'm going to stop.